Hey there, my name is Andy, and I am the founder of Stretch. And thank you for downloading Stretch and giving the future of grocery lists a try. We are super excited to have launched, and we love feedback. So if you've got any thoughts on how we can make this better, reply to this email or leave the feedback in the app. Speaking of the app, I want to show you my favorite ways to use the Stretch app, the current version that's out right now. There's a lot more to come, but in the simple, easy version that we were able to get into market just in time for the holidays, I want you to see the way that I'm using it. Now, I love building lists from handwritten notes. I have a lot of different places that I put my grocery list around the house. You probably do too. So I've got my list right here on the back of an envelope because that was what was close by. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into the app and I'm going to click select new list, and then we're going to give it a name. So this is my weekday list, and we're going to create a list, and then I'm going to actually take a photo of my list so I can upload it quickly. It was already written down here on the back of this envelope, and this is what I need to pick up on my way home today. And I want to know where I should be stopping on my way. And looks like the photo came through pretty well. And so I'm just going to submit that and add it to my stretch shopping list. Looks like it came through and understood my handwriting, which is not as good as it used to be. So we're just going to add that to the list. And as you can see, when I actually get to my shopping list, there are a few things that have been on my list before, so it knows what my favorites are. That's one of the things about Stretch is it learns your favorites. But there's a few things that I'm going to need to probably give it a little bit more clarification on. It's saying, oh, yep, just like we thought. Olive oil. I don't want to buy expensive olive oil. So I'm going to sort it by priced low to high. So you can do that preference. And what am I looking for? I think it is, yeah, here we go. This is what I was looking for. So I'm going to add that to the list. And then when it comes to mustard, I just need some pretty simple yellow mustard. And I love that it's showing me it's approximately $3 for French's Classic Yellow. So I'm just going to pick that one because that's what looks good to me. And now I'm just going to find a store. It's searching all the stores around me, and it's going to actually let me know which stores carry all of those products and what the total price is for my shopping list. So here you can see on a map, we've got a handful of different choices. We've got Walmart for 29.56, Kroger for 30.55, Aldi for 21.59, but just beating it out is Dollar General for 21.25. So pretty cool to see it all right here on the map. If you want to look at your different shopping options, you can kind of break it down by how far away they are. We also let you know that there are stores that we don't yet have fully on the system. And so if you want to request a store, that's a button that will show up from time to time. We are adding new stores all of the time. But let's say that you wanted to expand your search. You want to go and see more stores further away. Click up the top right corner and you can adjust the distance that you're willing to drive. So I was only willing to drive 4 miles, but let's say I want to drive 10 miles. I can zoom out just a little bit further to see if I get some different options. And it actually lets me know if I'm headed north, south, east, or west, there are still more options. So that's the way that I use Stretch to get my weekly list into the app and be able to put the power in my hands to know what's the store that has it at the best price, what store has it the closest, and what store maybe has the brands that I like the most. So you can click into all those details actually in the app and see sometimes there's trade-offs that you need to make between store brands from store brands, or maybe a national brand just isn't carried by some of the other retailers. Like an Aldi doesn't carry all of the national brands. So they might swap it out for one of their store brands or for a regional brand. And all that's done without you having to do anything. And all this information is just available at your fingertips for using Stretch. We hope you love it as much as we've loved making it for you, and can't wait to see how much money you save, how much time you save, and what we can do as a community to change the way the grocery industry works. Please let me know if there's anything I can be doing to make it more helpful and make it better for you and for your family the way that you shop. But until next time, I hope to see you in the Stretch app very soon.